Okay, we've worked on our horns here, and we've sanded them all down. We've rounded this part down here. So I took this 1-inch rubber ring I've got and I marked it here. So what we'll do is we'll take some of this down on the outside down to this mark here, in here, and then we'll take this and decide where I want to put it up here, and we'll drill a hole. That way our horn will stick down a little bit inside so we can glue it, and then we'll also put screws in it, and then we can sand this up here to get it to blend in better. So we're going to work on that next, and I'll use my Dremel here with this to cut down on it. See what we did there? That way when we cut into here, we can put that in there and it's not going to come loose on us. So we're going to do that the same with this one here. We've got to still round this off up in here yet, and then we'll come back with the next step. If you enjoy my videos, please like and subscribe on my YouTube page. I'd appreciate it. If you have any questions or comments, put it in my comment section. I'll get back with you. Thanks for watching.